Okay, we're gonna add some more water to make sure that I put enough water. I have to touch it, by the way. So I'm gonna have to use my hands because, listen, not all food you can use. Oh, there's not enough water. You know why I need that? I'm just touching. You press it, you press it, you press it, baby. Oh, something is burning. Oh, let's check our food. Let's check. Oh, I cannot put the knife. So use wooden. I heard from Haitian parents when you're cooking like veg, like plantain, they'll put like those things because my meat is burning. Oh my God, my meat is burning. You see, I smell it. Oh, I smell it. Oh my God, my meat is burning. No, it's not. Oh, that's. Oh no. So I'm gonna remove that. Let's remove the burning part. And that's the veggies too. I think some of them are ready, by the way. So good. Madam who likes to eat. Madam, can I check? So you can do it like this. Or you can do it like this. I think I need more water in it. You will feel the texture by you touching your hands. You will know if it needs more water or not.